everyone. We are going now out to see the Air Force
Air Museum.
Air Museum.
For Daddy and Tata, because I know
Air
that
Museum.
Tata and Daddy love aircraft.
So excuse me for the mess.
Just don't mind
Yan,
the
guys.
mess here.
Not really a mess, guys. It's stuff we're using.
Oh, really?
Stuff we're using. Sweater and blankets.
Hi, Jack. Are you excited? Yeah? See you later, guys. Ayan.
Hope you have a great day on your vacation. Come on, guys. Hurry up.
Patient dong. Big. That's what is this called? Air
SR-71.
SR-71.
I didn't know that was Dad's favorite plane.
What? Why not? Oh, well, she's still playing.
That one is big one, Jack.
They're still in service doing stuff.
There's a helicopter.
Start over.
Go this one.
Oh,
Oh,
it's gonna
there.
start on this end right here.
There one. I think they are surrounded.
That's not the end. The end is right there.
It goes off.
Guys, mag-tour tayo tour. Air Force inside there is a lot of attraction, but you can't look at all of it. There they are walking. Now we are walking. Now it's me. It's me. I got dizzy because I turn around. Hi, Jezreel. Twin with mommy. Twin with mommy.
all. It's Cedar Bowl.
Hi, there. Huh?
I hope you put in long sleeves.
No, you're fine. It'll be hot outside again. So,
It's cold in here.
Yeah, wait till you go outside.
yeah. My body. My body.
Buddy.
My body. Here's my body. With a hood. Tangiri-giri-gira. Tangiri-giri-gira. Tangiri-giri-giri-gira. Tangiri-giri-giri-gira. Say hi, Twinnie. Hi, Twinnie of mommy. Hi, Jack.
Damn video.
Watch your step.
Now you can see all of it. They're flying by themselves.
I know.
So cool.
Kind of neat to do. You can see all of them. Jimmy, you guys.
I don't know if I have a plane model that I can put together.
Oh, yeah?
There's a teeny little one in there too.
We'll see. Yeah, they're all tiny, huh? Is that cool? Wow. Have more there inside.
They got more floating in.
More airplanes, too.
More airplanes. That's a lot of
old ones.
Yeah.
They're old
Hey,
ones.
look at that.
Style.
Wow, look at that. It looks like a Cypress clothespin
Have more
almost.
here. Wow.
Whoa.
There's the longest one.
There you go.
Daddy, I see the biggest one right here.
Oh.
Daddy, is that big?
Hi. Hi. Hi guys, our 3 days here. We're walking again. Sorry. We're walking again on the beach. We're trying to find the kids and nanay, tatay. They walk earlier because mommy needs to clean the messy kitchen and cook some eggs. So after walking, we have food to eat. Because this one is always starving. My big baby. So, but I need to close my eyes now. There you go. Yeah, see you later guys. This is our 3rd day on vacation. And we're still enjoying walking in this like salt sand. Yeah, really, I'm trying to show them. Oh my god. Oh, it's fine. Okay. Yeah. Is the red flag still up? So still not allowed to go swim. But that's okay. We're just enjoying walking. The sun is bright. Right. Okay, bye. We found a jellyfish. That's not good. Can you carry food in the water? Or no? Did they move? Jellyfish. Found it. More in the water. You'll be dead. Making Tatay Nanay stuck. You never know. Oh no. I can feel it in my mouth.
Okay, Daddy. I want you to get a picture with Mommy. I'm gonna get back. It's Israel. He's getting cold.
What for that? Good morning. It's a breakfast donut. Sponsored by Nana and Tatay. And the coffee is sponsored by Nana and Tatay. O, diba? Sana all.